Later, Rory and Leo are each trying to make an egg stand upright on their coffee table. Chantelle is playing a game on her phone.
You guys have been at it for almost an hour.
It's harder than it looks. I'd rather get some practice in now, though. There'll be more pressure tomorrow.
Yeah, at noon, if we can balance our eggs upright, we'll have good luck for the whole year.
It's a fun custom. Unfortunately, you guys are terrible at it.
You're welcome to try. I could use a break anyway. I've got to hang some mugwort leaves on the front door.
Say what?
It's another custom. I'm going to hang some mugwort leaves up. They're known to prevent diseases because they repel insects.
Sounds good.
Leo, Chantelle, and Rory are watching TV in their living room. Leo is packing a backpack.
You going somewhere?
I'm getting some stuff ready for tomorrow's race. I'm the flag puller on a dragon boat team. It's my job to catch the flag at the finish line.
That's a big responsibility.
I guess, but it's a team effort. In addition to the guy who steers the boat, there's a drummer who helps all 20 paddlers keep time.
Don't forget to bring some spare clothes.
Right. Do you guys want to come and watch? The race starts at 8:30 a.m.